Hey everyone, and welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're going to be covering the best review apps for Shopify. If you want to leverage customer reviews, user-generated content, and social proof to boost conversions, then this video is for you. But first, what are product reviews? These reviews can be text, photo, or video testimonials submitted by customers describing and rating their experience purchasing from your store. These typically include star ratings on a 5-point scale indicating the product quality, along with metadata like written commentary, images, or footage of the customer actually using or unboxing the product. And why are these reviews so important for e-commerce stores? Research shows that prominently displaying customer product reviews on your Shopify site can lift conversion rates by 18% on average. Businesses with over 9% reviews in the past 90 days see a massive 52% increase in revenue compared to those with fewer or no reviews. These apps reduce risk and build trust by having real customers vouch for product, accuracy, shipping, and service. They also give crucial insight into the pros, cons, and helpful features before buying. Positive reviews and high star ratings increase conversion rates and average order values. So in short, reviews act as social proof and customer endorsement to provide trust and clarity, leading visitors to buy with confidence. Shopify reviews. First off, Shopify offers a free built-in product reviews app. It handles all the review basics such as adding a review section to product pages, publishing and moderating the reviews, matching the design style to your store's theme, sending review scores to Google for SEO, and enabling ratings in search engine results. While this is limited compared to the other apps we'll be covering in this video, Shopify's free review app is a perfect starting point if you're just getting started with e-commerce in general. Next up, we have Stamped.io. This is one of the most popular robust review apps on Shopify. Some key features include importing existing reviews from platforms like WooCommerce or AliExpress, visually appealing review widgets to showcase testimonials. You've got custom email and on-site review requests to customers. It also includes social sharing to amplify reach, integration with SMS, email, and other marketing platforms, a range of pricing plans from free one to whatever might suit your interest. It also provides detailed analytics on review performance. Stamped.io makes it easy to collect, display, and leverage customer reviews for sales and marketing. Judge.me is another top-rated product review solution trusted by over 100,000 Shopify merchants, and the benefits include visually customizable widgets and templates. You've got automated review requests via email. The photos and videos are supported, and you've got advanced moderation capabilities. So you can give it a shot with a free trial, and if you found value within it, then you can get a paid plan. It also provides a social media review display. So this one offers great review widgets and deep customization options. We've got Lux, which is a highly rated, rich media-focused review app for Shopify, enabling photo, video, and text testimonials. This one is media-heavy review content with one-click Shopify setup, branded and designed to match your theme. It's also automated, highly customizable review request emails. You can also import reviews directly from AliExpress, and it includes a 14-day free trial. This one specializes in visual and video reviews that buyers absolutely love. So now that we've surveyed some of the best Shopify product review options, how do you determine which solution is right for your e-commerce store? And to answer the question, this includes the budget. Obviously, paid review apps range from free plans to up to $100 plus per month. So assess your revenue and growth goals, then allocate the budget accordingly. Many apps offer free trials so you can test them out before you invest in a paid plan. Also, the features. Do you just need the basics for collecting and displaying reviews? What kind of product works for you? Or does your product need advanced capabilities like customization or staff accounts, integrations, etc.? Match your features to your needs and whatever your product needs. If it needs more complex explanations and reviews, then invest in the more expensive ones. If it needs simple reviews, then simply just get with the free ones or the ones that offer free plans. Next up, we have data and reporting. Do you need in-depth analytics on review performance? Certain platforms offer better reporting. So by rating apps based on your specific needs and priorities using criteria like these, you can make the optimal choice for your Shopify business. Be sure to proactively monitor and manage your product reviews going forward. Flag any inappropriate content, respond professionally, and continuously optimize the experience so that you yield the most maximum potential. Hopefully this guide has given you the clarity that you need on which reviewer apps fits your needs and budget. Remember that even starting with Shopify's free built-in reviews for basic functionality can deliver a nice conversion lift. The most important thing is that you actually use a review app. Also, if you're only just starting your Shopify journey, then I highly suggest that you sign up with the link in our description down below. It will grant you a temporary offer where you can open your Shopify store for only $1 per month for 3 consecutive months. So be absolutely sure to grab that offer before it's too late. Thank you for watching this video. Let us know in the comments if you have any other questions on this topic or Shopify in general. Don't forget to leave a like if you found this video to be informative or valuable to watch. And subscribe so you don't miss out on any follow-up content that we create in the near future.